Most people don't know that a brand like this exists, the Kelang brand, where they make 100% Burmese human hair, pre-separated strands. Each time I try to do my hair, I always have strands flying around because they are not separated, but this one is pre-separated. So this is 100% Burmese human hair. It's very soft, lightweight, it doesn't shed, it's very stretchy, and I like the fact that it's very bouncy and it comes pre-separated. As you can see, I got 2 packs. I'll be doing a half up, half down, but if you want a full hair, I recommend you get 4 packs for a full hair. It's very stretchy and easy to detangle. So I went ahead and put my hair down in cornrows. I'm just unraveling the pieces right now. Very easy to separate, as you can see, and very soft and shiny. So I put my hair down in cornrows. Then I went ahead and got my crochet pin and started attaching it. Very easy to attach. Just put your crochet pin, attach the piece, take it through the loop and secure it, just like I'm demonstrating right now. You have to do that for all the pieces, and it's very soft and it stays in place. It's 8 inches, so it was very long. As you can see, it's very stretchy. This is me all done. I love the outcome. So as you can see, it's very stretchy, tangle free, also very soft and lightweight. You can do 3 styles. The first one is to the side, like I'm showing you right here, and the second style is all to the back like this. So you can style it in whatever way you want. It looks very natural because it is human hair. Then the third style is this fluffed out one. My husband preferred this one the best, so I decided to leave it like this. I love this hair and I recommend you get yours now.